Hello everyone, welcome to my class. So in the previous episode, we have discussed about the transport, in that modes of transport, land transport, under that road transport. There are various concepts we discussed under the road transport, and today we'll continue about second mode of transport, that is railway transport. Railway transport. Railways are the other important mode of land transport. As we came to know about road transport, like that, railway is also one of the important mode of land transport, and they are very useful to carry heavy goods and large number of passengers over a long distance. That means railways which is usable for the long distance, how that is to carrying a heavy goods and also the large number of passengers, so that for the long distance or journey, so this railway system or railway transport has been very useful. And also it play a vital role in the development of agriculture, industry and economy of India. Railways which has been play a major role or vital role in the development of all the sectors in the economy, especially primary sector like agriculture, industry and also economy of India. How? Because the agricultural goods or industrial products or raw materials, so that can be what supplied from one place to another place, or that can be moved from one place to another place for long distance. So this railways plays a major role. And not only this, it also helps to expand trade and tourism. So the trade between the countries as well as within the countries, along with tourism. So these tourism and also the external or the internal trade, that can also attract more from the railways. So this is what the use of or the advantages of railways. In India, the railways were constructed during the British period for convenient transport of raw materials and the movement of army from one place to another. So as we know that during the British period only the railways has been set up, the railways has been started. Okay, and why? That is, in India the railways were constructed during the British period. Why? Because to convenient transport of raw materials. Okay, because to convenient transport of raw materials and also the movement of army from one place to another place. So this is what the major target of the setup of railways. So that the first railway line was laid between Bombay and Thana, that is in the year 1853. Okay, followed by Kolkata to Raniganj, that is in 1854, and Chennai to Arkonam, that is 1864. Okay, so the first railway, it was introduced in the year 1853 from Bombay to Thana. Okay, and then gradually developed in other parts of the country. So like that, afterwards, so this railways has been spreaded as well as developed, that is in the other parts of the country. Railways form the largest public sector undertakings in India. So this has been what helps to set up the largest public sector undertakings in India. And it have a network of about 7,031 stations and a length of 64,015 kilometers. So the railways which have a network about 7,031 stations and also the length of 64,015 kilometers. The railways are divided into 17 zones for the purpose of efficient management. So it divided into 17 zones for why? That is to efficient management, and many steps are taken to provide comfortable and safe railway travel. So this also was taken because to provide comfortable as well as the safe railway travel. So this is what regarding the railway system. Now let me see about pipelines. Pipelines, they are new mode of land transport. So this pipeline is also one of the transport, means mode of transport, but it is new mode of transport. Here pipelines are laid under the earth's surface. So where it is located, this pipelines, that is pipelines are laid under the earth's surface, and they are mostly used to transport crude oil from oil field to refineries, natural gas and mineral slurry. So how to transport this how to transport the crude oils through the pipelines, that is, and as also it is useful for the transport crude oils from one what oil field to refineries, and also natural gas and mineral slurry. And the total length of pipelines in India, that is 35,676 kilometers. Okay, the length of pipelines in India, that is 35,676 kilometers. So this is what regarding the pipeline. So one thing remember, so the pipeline which is useful to transport crude oils, natural gas, mineral slurry, that is from one field to another, means refineries, field to refineries. Okay, this is regarding the pipeline. Dear students, attention please here. The Hazira, Bijaypur, Jagadishpur, HBJ, so gas pipeline is the longest, means 2,300 kilometers in India. Okay, so which is the longest gas pipeline in India, means that is the Hazira, Bijaypur, Jagadishpur. So this is means HBJ. This gas pipeline is one of the longest pipeline in India. That is, it covers 2,300 kilometers. Okay students, this please remember. Remaining part we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you.